Hello, this is Vivek Rudrappa, your tech expert friend. Imagine your favorite restaurant trying to serve hundreds of unique dishes like American, Chinese, Mexican, European cuisines. And you know what? All using like just one massive kitchen with no specialization. You know what happens? Delays, confusion, unhappy customers, right? That's how the traditional monolithic software architectures feels like, chaotic and insufficient. But what if every cosine has its own dedicated kitchen? That's where microservices come into play. Welcome to today's video where we explore what microservices are, why they matter, and how they can revolutionize software development. Unlike traditional monolithic architecture, where the entire system is tightly coupled, microservices allows individual components to function independently. Basically, microservices is a software architecture pattern designed to break down complex applications into smaller, independent components, each handling a specific function to form a complete small application. Think of it like assembling a car where every part like engine, brakes, tires functions independently but works together seamlessly, right? Let's take another analogy. Think of a monolithic system like a massive block of granite, hard to shape and move and fit in. Microservices, on the other hand, are like a set of Lego blocks or bricks, modular, customizable, and easier to work with. Key features or advantages are 1. Independent deployability. Each service can be deployed independently, making it modular and agile. Second, decentralized data management. Each service manages its own data with its own database. Third, technology diversity. Services can be built using different programming languages or tools using a common protocol. This is also called as protocol-aware heterogeneous interoperability. Microservices comes with many advantages. Faster deployment cycles, like Netflix is a pioneer in microservices where it handles 2 billion API requests per day due to the efficiency microservices provide. Scalability easily scales specific services based on user demand. It can go either up or down very flexibly. Fault isolation, if one service goes down, it doesn't bring down with the whole system. Flexibility for development teams. Teams can work differently on different services simultaneously. Let's take an analogy. Imagine an orchestra where every musician plays independently but in an harmony. If violinist messes up, it doesn't ruin the entire symphony. That's the microservices advantage. Let's take an example here. When there is a request from client, it goes for an API layer. Microservices communicate with each other using APIs. Service discovery automatically detects, connects services where it belongs to. Load balancing, distribute incoming traffic across multiple services. Data storage, each service manages its own database. Together, there is more agile and compatibility between how the services scale up and down. Microservices comes with their own challenges like complexity. Managing multiple services can be complex. Network latency. Communication between services can cause delays. Data consistency. Maintaining consistency across different databases is challenging. So there you have it. Microservices are like breaking down a big complex problem into smaller, manageable pieces. They offer flexibility, scalability, and faster deployment and development. But they come with their own set of challenges. However, with the right tools and strategies, microservices can transform the way we build and maintain applications.